Hello friends, how are you today? Actually, I have been living life on autopilot. Yeah, I have been struggling for self-improvement since a long time. I feel like there was something wrong with my life. Actually, I have been feeling like I'm stuck. I procrastinate too much, I sleep too late and wasting my time on social media watching stuffs from here and there. But I'm not proud of the direction that I am going. So I have decided to change my life right now. No, it's not a big overnight way, but it's just slowly, constantly and genuine effort. My name is Shahnaz and today I will taking a new life challenge by adopting three simple habits. Number 1, waking up early before 8 a.m. Number 2, writing a journal for 10 minutes every day. Number 3, the last one but not the least, drinking 2 liters of water each and every day. Now, I will explain why I take these simple habits as a challenge and the benefits of these simple habits one by one. Number 1, getting up early before 8 a.m. Friends, waking up early before 8 a.m. especially have a big impact on our mental, emotional and physical well-being. You must have heard that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Friends, waking up early, those who wakes up early can build self-mastery because the early hours are our brain's prime time. Yeah, friends. Um, because there was no stress, no distraction, only peace, where you can focus completely at your works. Even research shows that those who wakes up early tend to be more proactive, more focused and successful at their long-term goals. That's why I have decided to wake up early in the morning from tomorrow. Number 2, writing a journal for 10 minutes every day. Friends, writing a journal is the most simple yet most powerful habit that one can build, especially when we are struggling for self-improvement. Yeah, friends, it's not just putting your thoughts on paper. It is more than that. Writing something, when we write something, we expose ourselves on the paper, and it's, believe me, it's a best tool for healing, growth and self-control, because when we are writing something on the paper, it is the safest place where we express our frustration, our anxiety, our sadness and our even our achievement without being judged. So for this purpose, I will maintain a diary to jot down my thoughts on. And the last one is drinking water each and every day. I know you might be wonder why I have included this one as a challenge and in my daily routine. I know daily life challenge because I know drinking water is a very simple habit. But what happens sometimes is that we of in our hectic schedule we often forget the most essential things like staying hydrated. Yeah, friends, we know that water is our life, and drinking water keeps our digestive system work smoothly. It also reduces dryness, dullness and keeps our skin hydrated from inside. Staying hydrated also helps our brain to work more efficiently and feel less foggy. So these are the three simple habits which I am going to take, and I will tracking my progress and sharing with you what works and what doesn't work and how I feel. No filters, no fake hype, just a real person trying to grow. So if you are on your own journey or if you are waiting for a sign, maybe this is it. So let's build something better together. I will catch you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.